everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to Decorated Tea Party Club. Our co-host is Real Good Living, Lady Phoenix. Our co-host is Styling with Pat, The Rogers Home, Diva Decorating, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Mary Kay's Happy Home Decor, and me, the Buckeye Girl. I hope you enjoy my mini tea set. It's Alice in Wonderland themed, and I use glue dots from the scrapbooking section in Hobby Lobby to secure all the tablecloths and all the little pieces together so they didn't fall off the table. You know, you have to think about that when they're so tiny. And I'm not pouring the tea for this party. Lady Phoenix, you may have to pour the tea because it would be a drop of tea and I'd be spilling tea all over this party. But I hope you enjoy my video. Okay, here's my container. I filled it with spray foam and put some moss, different kinds of moss, and it had some pine cones in it, and I just added it to that too. We are going to do an Alice in Wonderland tablescape. And here's our table. We had a table, a chair, and we had a china cabinet. These all came from the Dollar Tree in a pack with a little doll. And that's what we're going to use as our table for our tablescape. And I have a tablecloth. Here's my tablecloth. And this is Harlequin ribbon. And I think I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. Because you gotta have a tablecloth on your tablescape. And these are glue dots. You pick these up at Hobby Lobby in the scrapbook section. They're just little, hopefully you can see this. They're little dots like that of glue. Just clear glue that helps things stick down. And I thought it would help hold my tablecloth in place. And the good thing is they're movable. So if you get it in the wrong place, that's okay. And then I'm going to take and add a couple to the sides of the table so it doesn't stick out. So it folds down over the table. And it makes it look better. It doesn't stick out. And I'm going to do that on all four sides so it looks more like a tablecloth and not just a piece of ribbon that's sticking straight out there. Because I don't want to glue this down, because if I ever want to do a miniature tablescape, Harlequin may not be the pattern I want as a tablecloth. Okay, and then I'm going to just push that down into the foam, and there's our little table. And then here's our tea set. I'll put the china cabinet and the chair in later, but here's the tea set. And they are tiny, tiny, tiny. And here is the other part of the tea set. And they are tiny, 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 tiny. So here is our platter. And here is our little tiny tea set. And I may use some of those glue dots just to hold it in place. Oh. Yeah, these glue dots will help it from keeping it from sliding. Oh, I thought when I seen these, man, I may need tweezers. They're so tiny. And then we will add our cups and saucers. Okay, here's our Alice in Wonderland tea party. As you can see, there's our Alice, and look at all the fine detail. And there, I don't remember what his name is, but look, he's already stole a cup of tea and a teapot from the tea party. And looky there, the bunny, he's got a pocket watch, and look at the queen. And there's a Cheshire cat, just like any other pet. She has stole the only chair in the house. And here's our tea service. And of course, one tea cup is being knocked off the table. Hasn't any blunders happened at your parties? Well, it looks like it's happening at Alice's. But here's our miniature tea set and miniature tablescape. And it's on a pedestal. So this could actually be used as your centerpiece at your table. Oh, and the chair and the curio cabinet and the table, which has a Harlequin tablecloth, is all Dollar Tree. The tea service is actually from Hobby Lobby, and I found Alice and her friends at Amazon. The tablecloth is being held down by little glue dots, and the tea service is being held on the table with glue dots for scrapbooking. So that is our tea service for Alice in Wonderland. You could use this as the centerpiece of your Alice in Wonderland table if you would like.